Hello everyone, we are currently about to watch the Ice King snow event. And yeah, any moment now, he's supposed to break out of the orb. Okay bro, mad disrespectful to destroy that. There's protective barriers in place, otherwise we'd all be dead, yeah? So yeah, in a few seconds, the Ice King should break out. And he is going to cover the whole island in snow. Chapel Roan is chilling up there with everyone else. Okay, the damn Voyage is actually destroying everything. That's crazy, bro. Yo, these oaks are building in my way, man. Stop! Yo, bro, you gonna break out yet? Is the Ice King gonna do his magic thing? Bro, he's just aura farming in that orb right now. As you guys can tell, I have watched this before, back in chapter 1. So I wonder if anything's gonna change this time. I know there's a new Ice King in there. Oh! Okay, he broke out! LOL! Oh, boy, now he looks very different. Now you're about to start aura forming on the island. Now the blizzard's coming! Holy crap, bro, this is insane. It's happening all over again. Oh shoot, here comes the ice storm. Oh crap, it's going around the island. Copyright, my bad. Why do I have just copyrighted emotes? Look on the minimap. Is it gonna do it on the minimap again? It is, it's turning the island into snow. He's creating a blizzard across the whole island. Holy crap, bro. Look at the island. Event protection ending soon. Okay, so nothing new happened this time, apart from him looking different. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ruined video drops later.